Uasin Gishu mancho diwo gi nyithindo manotimo maber e piny mar grade 9 sani koro nyalo buonjo bang' jaod bura ma Uasin Gishu Gladys Sholei kawo ting' mar chulo negi fees. Maeri en bang' wang' jowi mar Citizen TV lando midhiero ma nyithindogo kale. Nyithindo 4 go nomi barua gi ruoth mondo mi gikwa kony kowuok kuom jopiny eka giyud kaka ginyalo dhi nyime gi somo. Sani koro yore gi oyawre kendo gibiro dhi nyime gi sombgi.
Your funding model, yeah, but you need to enter the school. So I wanted to see. I heard about the cry of this family through Citizen TV, and I must appreciate Citizen TV for bringing this to our attention. And when I heard the story, it was heartbreaking. But I told myself it would be bad if I've heard the story and not tried to solve it. And so I'm happy that we've sat with the children and we've gone through each of their issues one by one. The immediate ones that are solvable is the two young ones who are supposed to go to grade 7 and senior secondary, and they are at home. They've gotten schools to go to, but they don't have the resources, and that is solvable. We've agreed that from tomorrow we shall they'll get the shopping done and get the organization so that by Monday they should have checked into school. So we've been able to resolve that, and this young man is very happy. He's going to go to my former school.
Mimi nimefurahi kwa sababu nitaenda kujoin yenye nataka. So nashukuru madam ametutembelea na amefanya kitu wema. Mimi nasema tu Mungu ambariki.
Our MP ametusupport na tunajua tutaenda shule tutasoma kama wengine.
Mimi nimefurahia women rep Gladys boss kukuja hapa kusaidia watoto wangu ili waweze kutusaidia watoto ili waweze kusoma juu nimekuwa na mzigo.